How to allow Google Meet to use camera. So first, what you want to do is simply click on the view site information here at the top. So if you're using a different browser, it will just simply look like this or like a lock icon, but it is usually beside the website URL right here. So if you click on that, you will see a camera icon right here. And what you will need to do is make sure that it is enabled. So if it's not enabled, it would be grayed out just like that. And if you want to enable it, just simply click on the button right here to enable it. Once that's done, go to your camera here at the bottom of your Google Meet and pick the right camera. So click on the like arrow icon right there, then pick the right camera to use. So I have two cameras right here, and the one that I want to use it is the integrated camera. So just simply click on what camera that you want to use. After that, click on turn on camera right here, and it should just simply turn on like that. And that is basically it.